How to see download history on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, click on Manage Apps and Device. Click on Manage at the top. Here, you'll find different options. Here, you can select updates available, games, history of games apps, archived, or if you simply want your history, you can click on this device and you will find all the apps that you downloaded earlier from Google Play Store. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to see download history on Google Play Store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.